Here is the sign for where. Okay, index finger again. Yes, use your dominant hand. I'm right-handed, so I'll use this one. Make the index finger palm facing forward to whoever you're talking to, right? And just move it back and forth. Where? Where? From the side? Where? From the other side? Where? From the front again? Where? Okay, let's do it 3 times, starting from the rest position. Sign with me. Here we go. Where? 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 Okay, so I've been furrowing my eyebrows because it's just so common to use where as a question. So furrow your eyebrows when you're going like this. Inquisitive look on your face. Face plus the hand sign makes it a question. All right, so in this course, when we have the test, I'll be signing where like this because it's so common to use it as a question. All right, once again, index finger, palm facing out. Look at whoever you're talking to, signing with, right? And just go back and forth. Where? Okay, we just talked about how to sign where.